Hello, Unstoppables. How are you doing? Great, sir. Okay. What about you, boy? How are you doing? Nothing, sir. Always nothing, sir. Okay. So, hello, Unstoppables. Welcome back to today's super duper and fantastic practice and learning session of Unstoppable Academy. आज इस हमारे क्लास में सर आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है. Okay, so get ready now. I'm gonna be asking questions and you have to answer them. But before that, I'm the best. I can do. I can do. So can you. I'm the best. I can do. If I can do. So can you. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Stand up, everybody now. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Now get ready. I am tired, sir. I can't answer those questions. Okay, now get ready. I am going to ask questions and you guys have to answer them. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए? तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए? तुम जा सकते हो? Answer slowly, यार. I mean, right now you have to slowly. When I know you are unstoppable, man. Try to understand. मेरे पास पैसा है. मेरे पास तुम्हें देने के लिए पैसा है. I have money for giving you या I have money to give you. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. तुम घर क्यों जा रहे हो? मैं घर जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. He's hungry because I am hungry. Okay, तुम्हें भूख क्यों लगी है? तुम्हें भूख कैसे लगी है? तुम कैसे इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो? तुम कैसे इंग्लिश बोला करते थे? How do you used to speak English? क्या तुम्हें जाना है? Do you have to go? तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? तुम कैसे जाओगे? क्या तुम जा रहे हो? क्या तुम खेल रहे हो? क्या तुम खेल सकते हो? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता हूँ लेकिन करूँगा नहीं. I can help you but I won't. I करूँगा नहीं. मैं खाना दे सकता हूँ लेकिन दूंगा नहीं. आराध्या तुम्हें जाना चाहिए. आराध्या तुम्हें टीवी देखना चाहिए. आराध्या तुम्हें गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए. क्या बोला? अगर मैं बोलूं बी रेडी एट 11 o'clock मतलब सपोज ये घड़ी है और ये 11 o'clock यहाँ पर बजा हुआ है. जब 11 o'clock बजेगा तो आप पहले से ही वहां पर रेडी हो. बी रेडी एट 11 o'clock मतलब 11 o'clock में तैयार हो. मैं 11 बजे आऊंगा और आपको लेकर आप सभी यही बोले. Let's go for it. Okay, तो be ready मतलब exactly 11 o'clock में आप तैयार हो. But if I talk about get ready at 11 o'clock वहाँ पर तैयार होते हो. जैसे 11 o'clock बनेगा, I mean हो जाएगा तो आप तैयार होना चालू करोगे. चलिए, let's go for it. तुम्हारे पास दिमाग होना चाहिए. मेरे पास दिमाग नहीं है. अपने दिमाग का यूज करो. सर मैं अपने दिमाग का यूज कैसे करूं? How should I use? जहाँ पर तुम आ जाए should shall do किसी का भी यूज कर सकते. सर मैं अपने दिमाग का यूज कैसे करूं? How do I use my mind? How should I use my mind? मेरे पास दिमाग ही नहीं है. I don't have mind. तुम्हारे पास दिमाग होना चाहिए. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए. तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. क्या तुम खाना खा चुके हो? क्या तुम जा चुके हो? क्या तुम जाओगे? क्या तुम आओगे? क्या तुम डांस करोगे? क्या तुम मेरी बहन हो? क्या तुम मेरे दुश्मन हो? तुम भूखे क्यों हो? तुम्हारी मम्मी कैसी है? तुम्हारे बाल बच्चे कैसे हैं? How are your children?
सर बाल बच्चे भी है ना.
तुम यहाँ कैसे हो?
How are you here?
How are you here? मैं यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ. सर don't you know about it? हाँ चलो. मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. I have come here. आया हूँ. मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. I have come here. मैं यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ. क्या तुम जानते हो?
Do you know?
तुम पढ़ना जानते हो?
Do you know how to study?
Do you know how to study? तो do you know studying? क्या तुम खेलना जानते हो?
Do you know how to
playing? ING लगा दो. Do you know?
Playing.
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलना जानते हो?
Do you know speaking English?
मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलना जानता लेकिन मेरी बहन इंग्लिश बोलना जानते हैं. हाँ.
No, I don't know how to speak English. But my friends know how to speak English.
No, I don't know. No, I don't know speaking English, but my sister knows speaking English. क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसा है?
Do you have money?
मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, जबकि मेरी सिस्टर के पास पैसा है.
I don't have money, but my sister has the money.
जबकि whereas मतलब जबकि whereas my sister has money. वहाँ जाओ. अरे ये पगले करने गलती से. हो गया? इधर आ जाओ. वहाँ जाओ. वहाँ मत जाओ. इंग्लिश बोलो. इंग्लिश बोले का मजा लो. Enjoy. मैंने पिछली बार आपको बताया था, की बताया था, स्टार्ट बताया था, नो स्टॉप बताया था, 3 बताए थे. नहीं बताया. नहीं बताया. इधर आना. ये ब्रिटिश कंडीशन में जाकर देखो. नहीं बताया. अरे नहीं कैसा बताया नहीं. ना बन जाए तो मेरी मेहरबानी. You come here and stand here. नहीं कर रहा. चलिए की स्टार्ट स्टॉप देखा था. एंजॉय लिख लीजिए और गिव अप लिख लीजिए. अच्छा गिव अप एंजॉय मतलब मजे करो. हाँ जी भाई छोड़ देना सर जी, समझ गए. सही पकड़े. मजे करो. और गिव अप मतलब होता है छोड़ देना. Enough is enough. Does it? Hello, enough. चलिए. No, you can't sit. Let's move further. तो इंग्लिश बोलते रहो. इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करो. इंग्लिश बोलना बंद करो. आपके बगल में हिंदी लगेगा. अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलने का मजा लो. Enjoy speaking English. इसलिए enjoy के बगल में हिंदी लगेगा. Enjoy speaking English सर जी. हिंदी लगाने का. हाँ वही. तू लगाते थे. हाँ तो चलो इंग्लिश बोलना छोड़ दो. Give up speaking English. Okay. खाना बनाओ. Cook खाना मत बनाओ. हमेशा खाना बनाओ. खाना कभी मत बनाओ. खाना बनाते रहो. Keep cooking food. खाना बनाना शुरू करो. खाना बनाना बंद करो. खाना बनाने का मजा लो यार. Enjoy cooking food. खाना बनाना छोड़ दो. Is that clear? In this way you can practice all these sentences and I hope it is clear to you now. Okay, let's move further now. For we have 20 minutes and 20 minutes के लिए आपकी क्लास अभी चलेगी. Today we are going to be discussing about how to answer questions. Listen, अगर yes or no वाले questions उनका आंसर आप दे लोगे. Okay, that doesn't matter which question that is. If I get am I a teacher? If I say am I a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher. No, I am not a teacher.
I'm asking here. Yes, you are a teacher and no, you are not a teacher. I'm asking when अगर मैंने पूछा अतुल, am I a teacher?
Yes, you are a teacher. No, you are not a teacher.
Can I one by one stand up?
No.
Can I speak English?
Yes, you can speak in English.
Yes, you can speak English and no, you can't speak English. Can you go there?
Yes, I can go there. No, I can't go there.
Have you eaten food?
Yes, I have eaten food. No,
I haven't eaten
food.
Would you like to dance with me?
Yes, I would like to dance with me. No, I would not like to dance with
Would you like to dance with me?
you.
Yes, I would like to dance with you and no, I wouldn't like to dance with you. Is that clear? Which means those questions which can be answered in yes or no, you can easily answer them. Okay. Did you used to practice English? Yeah, you. Did you used to practice English?
Yes, I used to practice.
Okay,
No,
just-
I didn't used to practice.
Now you guys get ready. I'm gonna be asking questions one by one. Which questions? Those questions can be answered yes or no, and you have to answer them.
Okay.
Anjali, come in. Stand here. Make some room for her as well. Is that clear?
Yes,
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
No, no.
Yes, sir.
Move backwards. पीछे. Move backwards. Move backwards. I'm saying. Yeah, thank you very much. Now, Aradhya, can you go there?
Yes, I can go there. No, I can't go there.
Are you from Unstoppable Academy?
Yes, I'm from Unstoppable Academy. No, I'm not from Unstoppable.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen. No, I don't have a pen.
Okay. Will you speak English?
Yes, I will speak English. No, I won't speak English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. No, I cannot help you.
I cannot help you. Did you used to speak English?
Yes, I used to speak English. No, I didn't used to speak English.
Let's move to Machal. Are you ready?
Yes.
Can you answer the questions?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen. No, I haven't a pen.
I don't have a
Don't
pen.
have a
Okay. Have you eaten food?
Yes, I have. Have you eaten food?
I have eaten food.
I have eaten food. No, I haven't eaten.
I haven't eaten food. Okay. Are you going there?
Yes, I am going there. No, I am not going there.
Are you a girl?
Yes, I am a girl. No, I am not a girl.
I'm not a girl. Okay. Are you from Unstoppable Academy?
Yes, I am from Unstoppable Academy. No, I am not from Unstoppable Academy.
Is he your brother?
Yes, yes, is my.
He is.
He is my brother. No, he isn't my brother.
Okay. Did you play yesterday?
Yes, I played yesterday.
I
I
played yesterday.
played yesterday.
Yeah.
No, I didn't play yesterday.
Did you cook food?
Yes, I could. No, I not.
I didn't cook
I
food.
didn't.
Listen and remember this thing. Always remember. Oh, that is really awesome by the way. एक बात ध्यान रखना, जब भी अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में डीड आ गया तो क्वेश्चन में आंसर देते वक्त हमेशा सेकंड फॉर्म लगेगी ही लगेगी. And this thing you have to keep in your mind. Welcome back, Shikha. Okay, by the way, let's move further. And कल के बाद आपकी पूरी क्लास नहीं होगा सब. Okay, for further coming 20 minutes. 20, 20, 20. There are three sections. Okay, let's move further. Let me move to him. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on, am I playing here? Okay, okay. Has father come?
Yes. Has father come? Yes.
Has father come?
Yes, father has come.
Yeah.
No, father hasn't come.
Okay. Do you know English?
Yes, you know what?
Do you know English?
Yes, I know English.
I know English.
I know English. No, I don't know English.
I don't know English. Okay. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English, but no, I can't speak English.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. No, I am not ready.
Yes, I'm ready. No, I'm not ready. Okay. Have you been practicing since morning?
Yes, I have been practicing since morning. No, I haven't been practicing since morning.
Do you have to go?
Huh?
Do you have to go?
Yes, I have to go. No, I don't have to go.
Okay. Did you have to go?
Yes, I had to go. No, I didn't have to go.
Are you my brother?
Yes, you are my brother.
Huh? Short लगा दे तो यार.
Yes, I am your brother. No, I am not your brother.
Okay. Is that your mobile?
Yes, this mobile is mine.
Is that your mobile?
Yes, it is my mobile.
Is that your mobile?
Yes, that is my mobile. No, that isn't my mobile.
Are you going?
Yes, I'm with my mobile.
हाँ सही बात है. Are you unstoppable?
Yes, I am unstoppable. No, I am not
सही
unstoppable.
बोल.
Is he okay? Is he okay?
Yes, he is okay. No, he isn't okay.
He isn't okay. Is he sensible?
Yes, he is sensible. No, he is insensible.
Okay. Are you my brother?
Yes, I am your brother. No, I am not your brother.
Can you go there?
Yes, I can go there. No, I can't go there.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can see.
Do you speak English?
I speak English. No, I don't speak English.
Okay. Let's move further. Are you watching TV?
Yes, I am watching TV. No, I am not watching TV.
Are you about to play? Are you about to play?
Yes, I am about to play. No, I am not about to play.
Okay. Have you repaired the mobile?
Yes, I have repaired mobile. No, I haven't repaired mobile.
Can you answer my questions?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
I can answer your questions.
Yes, I can answer your question. No, I can't answer it.
ऐसे है? Are you sure? Have you counted them? Okay. What is your name?
My name is Antushwa.
Atul.
No, my name is not Antushwa. Right.
Hello, sir ji.
Hello, sir. Yes, hello, sir. No,
Listen. अगर क्वेश्चन के शुरू में क्या आ जाता है क्वेश्चन कैन बी आंसर otherwise you will not answer. Okay. Let's move further. Is this your mic?
Yes, this is my mic. No, this is not my mic.
This is not my mic. Okay. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English. No, I can't speak English.
Are you going there?
Yes, I can go there. No, I can't go there.
Are you going there?
I am going there. No, I am not going there.
Is this do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen. No, I don't have a pen.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. No, I am not hungry.
Did you practice yesterday?
Yes, I practiced yesterday. No, I didn't practice yesterday.
Okay. Can you go there?
Yes, I can go there. No, I can't go there.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. No, I can't help you.
Should I practice English?
Yes, I should practice English. You
Should I practice English?
Yes, should you practice English? You should. You should practice English. No, you shouldn't practice English.
Let's move to Shikha now. Are you ready? Okay. Are you Shikha? No. Are you Shikha?
Yes, I am Shikha. No, I am not.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I I am ready. I am not ready.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you go
Do you speak English?
Yes. I do you.
Yes, I speak English.
No, I.
But
Yes, I speak English. No, I don't speak English.
yes, I speak English. No, I don't speak English. Okay. Can you ride bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes. Yes.
Can you ride a bicycle?
I can't. Sorry. Yes, I can ride bicycle. No, I can't ride bicycle.
Okay. Are you studying in Unstoppable Academy? Are you studying in Unstoppable Academy?
Yes, I am studying.
Studying in Unstoppable Academy.
In Unstoppable Academy.
Hello.
No, I am not studying in Unstoppable Academy.
No, I'm not studying in Unstoppable Academy. Okay. Are you standing? Are you standing?
Yes, I am studying.
Hello. No, I'm not standing.
No,
Okay. Do you have a pen?
Yes, I am studying. No, I don't.
Louder, louder, louder. This is one.
No, I don't have.
Okay. Do you go to school?
Yes, I am going to.
Yes, I go to school. Do you go to school? Do अगर simple में आंसर आएगा.
Yes,
Okay.
I do. Yes, I go to.
I go to school.
No, I don't go to school.
I don't go to school. Is that clear? Okay. In this way, all of you guys have to answer the questions at home as well. So already I have given you the booklet. With the help of that booklet, you have to answer all the questions which can be answered in your salon. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear now? So you have to practice all these questions.
I am taking.
No, I'm Sapna Dekhin.
Sapna Chaudhary.
Sapna Dekhin. हाँ, Sapna. Okay, now I'm gonna be talking about those questions which can't be answered in yes or no. मतलब आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ exactly कि जिन क्वेश्चन को आप आंसर नहीं दे सकते, स्पेशली जिन क्वेश्चन को आप आंसर दे सकते हो, go back to your home and practice all those questions properly. Properly हम saying there shouldn't be any confusion. मतलब किसी भी क्वेश्चन को आंसर देते वक्त I, my, you ये सब यहाँ पर नहीं अटकना है सर जी, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना. ओके, वे जब आप इस लेवल पे आ जाते when you are at this level कि आप सभी क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे सकते हो, which can be answered yes or no, then हम मूव करने वाले उन क्वेश्चनों पे जिनका आंसर आप yes or no में नहीं दे सकते हो. ओके, so if I talk about क्या तुम्हें जाना है,
Do you have to go?
do you have to go? Suppose this is the question, do you have to go? This is the question, do you have to go? How can we answer this question? Yes, I have to go. No, I don't have to go. अगर आपको प्रेजेंट में एक क्वेश्चन दिया जा रहा है, उसको पास्ट में भी और फ्यूचर में भी तीनों में ले जाकर प्रैक्टिस करना है. जिसमें पास्ट में क्या हो जाएगा? Did you have to go? What is the answer? How would you answer?
Yes, I have to go. No, I didn't have to go.
Yes, अगर did आ गया तो हमेशा ध्यान रखना वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगेगी आंसर देते वक्त.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I had to go. And no, I didn't have to go. Okay. Will you have to go?
Yes, I will have to go. No, I won't have to go.
Yes, I will have to go. No, I won't have to go. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to those questions which cannot be answered in yes or no. Okay. Simply आप क्या करें, इसके पहले आपको WH वर्ड लगाते हैं, जो भी लगाते हैं. Like when do you have to go? देखिए इसके पहले ध्यान दीजिए, जब कभी भी किसी सेंटेंस में when आता है या तो at what time आता है, when या तो at what time, इन दोनों केसेस में आप टाइम की बात करते हैं. What time आप बोल सकते हो, स्पोकन में चल जाएगा.
What time is it?
What time बोलिए तो at what time बोलिए. Now when या तो what time की बात करूँ, वहाँ पर क्या बताओगे आप? टाइम की बात करोगे, टाइम बताओगे. मैं बोलूँ when do you have to go, आप टाइम बताओगे मुझे कब जाना है. ये सुनो, अगर मैं बोलूँ why, तो why में क्या बताओगे? रीजन बताना है क्यों जाना है, उसका कारण बताओगे तो रीजन बताओगे. ओके, अगर मैं बोलूँ हाउ, तो क्या बताओगे आप? कैसे जाना है, उसको प्रोसेस बताओगे. ये सुनो, तो जैसे जाओगे उसी प्रोसेस बताओगे.
सर इसका इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? ये सब मेरे कारण हुआ है.
हाँ,
ये सब मेरे कारण हुआ है.
यह मेरे कारण हुआ है. This all happened because of me. कि currently because of यूज करते हो, मेरे कारण because of you. यह सब हुआ है. This all happened because of you.
तो इतने बड़े सेंटेंस से हिंदी का इतना बड़ा हो गया.
चलिए, तो ये हो गया हाउ. अगर यहाँ पर मैं लिख दूँ आपका सपोज व्हाट, क्या बोलोगे? क्या मतलब जो चीज है उसको बताओगे. व्हाट मींस तो क्या, कौन. अच्छा कि लिख दूँ कौन.
क्या कौन किसी बात से
हु में क्या लगाओगे? कौन जो आदमी उसकी बात बताओगे. हु में क्या बताओगे? जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी बात करोगे. ओके, अच्छा क्या, कौन, किसे, कौन सा, कब, कहाँ. वेयर में क्या बताओगे? वेयर में जगह का प्लेस का नाम बताओगे. कब कहाँ क्यों कैसे whose में किसका बताओगे
किसका?
whose में किसका बताओगे जिसका है पोजीशन की बात हो रही है क्लियर
Yes, sir.
अगर कोई भी WH वर्ड आया तो सबसे पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि उसमें आंसर देना कैसे है then you can move further so now I am going to give you so many sentences and with the help of those sentences lots of sentences I mean oh boom quiet चलिए यहाँ पर मैंने पहला वर्ड लिखा where and उसके भी पहले there the very first question is where do you have to go so I would like both of you to stand up here no both of them because you guys already know them okay you guys already know how to answer the question okay so Ashika if I ask where do you have to go how do you answer this question
कहाँ रहते हो?
hello where do you have to go do you have to go क्या तुम्हें जाना है where do you have to go answer this question कैसे आंसर करोगे इस क्वेश्चन का हेलो लिसन जिन क्वेश्चनों का आंसर यस और नो में दे सकते हो सिर्फ उन्हीं का आंसर दे रहा है यहाँ नॉट सेइंग कि आपको कहाँ या तो यस और नो में आंसर देना बता रहे हैं जगह का नाम आप ये नहीं कहना कि आई हैव टू गो आई डोंट हैव टू गो बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट आस्किंग दैट आई एम आस्किंग वेयर डू यू हैव टू गो आपको कहाँ जाना है वेयर डू यू हैव टू गो तो आप आंसर कैसे दोगे हेलो हियर अरे जहाँ जाना बता दो भाई नाम बता दो
I have to go to Riva.
I have to go to Riva, I have to go to Satna, I have to go to market, I have to go to school, college. अच्छा मुझे सुनाई नहीं देता। I already told you जब बिहार आ जाए जगह का नाम बताना है तो जहाँ भी यार उसका नाम बता दो। If I ask where do you have to go? I have to go to Riva, I have to go to Satna, I have to go to Madhya Pradesh, I have to go to India, I have to go to America.
Universe.
Okay. Then next question, when do you have to go? Yeah. Now when do you have to go? कब जाना है when do you have to go answer it I have to go
I have to go.
I have to go today I have to go tomorrow I have to go on Monday I have to go on Sunday yeah I have to go at 11 o'clock okay I have to go on in July I have to go the next day you can say anything मेनली आपको टाइम बताना आंसर आपको देना जरूरी कि आपका आंसर सही हो that answer could be imaginary but आपको आंसर देना
Sir, जस्ता चढ़ाना means क्या होता है?
हाँ?
जस्ता चढ़ाना.
जिंक में जस्ता होता है ना the verb is also जिंक
तो सर उसका मतलब क्या होता है? जस्ता means
पर चढ़ा देना सर
क्या?
जिंक की पर चढ़ा देना ओके लेट्स मूव अब साइंस के स्टूडेंट जाओ और पहले पूछो जिंक क्या
सर
होता है
मैं खुद सर से पूछे तो सर बोले गूगल से देखो.
जिंक मुझे यार आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग ये काफी धातु होती है मेटल क्लियर ना
मेटल की परत चढ़ाना.
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं वेयर हो गया व्हाई डू यू हैव टू गो क्यों जाना है या व्हाई डू यू हैव टू गो कुछ भी आंसर मुझे जाना है क्योंकि मुझे वहां घूमना है मुझे वहां काम मुझे वहां जाना है so what was your answer where do you have to go what was your answer suppose I have to go to Meher आंसर होगा मुझे मेहर जाना है I have to go to Meher when do you have to go कब जाना है I have to go on Sunday मुझे कब जाना है I have to go on Sunday why do you have to go
दर्शन को क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ
दर्शन
to see
और सर हवन करने को
हाँ
हवन करेंगे
do हवन I don't exactly know
हवन ही बोलते हैं।
listen now I'm asking why do you have to go आपको क्यों जाना है तो मुझे मेहर जाना है क्योंकि मैं मेहर घूमना चाहती हूँ I have to go to Meher because I want to visit Meher ऐसा लो visit मतलब होता है घूमना okay why means आपको कारण बताना है कि आपको क्यों जाना है okay so why do you have to go I have to go because I have to visit Meher I have to go because my brother is in Meher you can say anything जो भी आपका कारण है I have to go because I have to take my exam मुझे अपना एग्जाम देना है that's why I have to go to Meher clear ना I have to go because I have lots of money and I have to spend मेरे पास बहुत सारा पैसा है मुझे खर्च करना है that's why I have to go to Meher clear हुआ you have to simply focus on the reason क्या पर reason क्या है is that clear okay if I talk about why के बाद जो starter where how do you have to go
कैसे जाना है?
तुम्हें कैसे जाना है how do you have to go answer it
I have to go by bicycle.
by bicycle I have to go by bicycle I have to go by bus I have to go by train by plane by rickshaw that answer could be any one of them तो आपको एग्जैक्टली पता होना चाहिए कि जब कहाँ पर वो वर्ड है तो उसका आंसर दोगे कैसे ओके इनिशियली हम प्रैक्टिस ऐसे ही करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल प्रैक्टिस मोर अभी क्या आगे चलते हैं विद whom do you have to go
मुझे भी नहीं आता मेरे से
with whom do you have to go तुम्हें किसके साथ जाना है? I have to go with you. I have to go with my brother. I have to go with my friends. I have to go with
Family.
my family. You can say anything. Then, अच्छा for whom? If I say for whom, you have to go.
किसके लिए जाना
किसके लिए
है?
जाना है?
I have to go
For you.
I have to go for you.
For
I have to go for Sharda Mata.
For my friend,
Sharda Mata के लिए जाना है. She's waiting for me there.
I have to go for my
Okay, चलिए ये तक क्लियर. आगे मूव करते हैं. By which means. अच्छा how बोलो उसका वही मतलब निकालते तो by which means बोल दो. By which means मतलब होता है means मतलब होता है साधन. Okay. तुम्हें किस साधन से जाना है? तो I have to go by bicycle, by bus, by train, whatever कोई भी आंसर हो सकता है. Okay. Last question. What do you have to buy? What? Suppose.
तुम्हें क्या
आप सब मेरा चले गए ना तो what do you have to buy? आपको from there आपको वहां से क्या खरीदना है?
I have to
Okay.
buy
What do you have to buy from there? आपको वहां से क्या खरीदना है? मुझे वहां से एक बैग खरीदना है, मुझे वहां से एक साइकिल खरीदना है. आंसर को भी नहीं होना ऑब्वियस. ओके तो मुझे वहां से खरीदना है I have to buy. आंसर प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. मुझे खरीदना है I have to buy. जो भी खरीदना I have to buy a bicycle, a bicycle,
a teddy bear,
पेन
a pen
साइकिल
and a bus. बस भी नहीं आना. बस हम ले
आप ये मोदी
क्लियर है ना? इस तरीके से आप पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर सकते हो. फ्रॉम टुमारो onwards I'm mainly focusing on this. Your class is at 6 o'clock, so make sure you are here on time. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much Unstopper for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep up the good work and be
unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable.
Okay, just stand for that. They want to be visible. You guys can stand up now. Okay.
इसका ट्रांसलेशन
Be
Unstoppable,
be
unstoppable, unstoppable,
I am
unstoppable,
unstoppable.
unstoppable.
Thank you very much.